Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share and scan WhatsApp QR codes. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: from your WhatsApp home menu, tap on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on settings and tap on this QR code icon next to your profile. And here you will find your QR code, and to share this QR code, tap on the share icon and select the way you want to share your QR code. For example, I'm going to selecting here WhatsApp, and I'm going to sending my QR code to this contact. So that's how we can share QR code. And to scan any QR code, tap on scan code, tap on OK, and now you can scan any code. Also, you can upload a QR code from your gallery by tapping on this gallery icon. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.